bia kora na ye ne mo aba engage. His Excellency, top level, any sebe ye ne wo mo engage. Edi asem. Kelvin Taylor, where did the Ghana fuate musa MPP for where the MPP fuate musa? Mistake ye mubi ye ne say ye bu ye ni gu so. Na ye campaign time. Enti ye nyinam say Ghana so de campaign time obi ani so ye hye. Ade no enye asam ketwa wo manim. Me Maria meti ha kurei. Ene me kura me meka say me mendi atem ni bi mi di bi. But mi di bi dru baby no mi sua nyansa. Mi di bi 2020 mi so mi di atem ni bi. Me metena hanka se me ye prim and proper. Mane broso. Mi so mi di atem ni bi. Mi di atem ni bia ma se be Ghana fo binom kura na mo ba mo si a female version of Kelvin Taylor. Because na mu hu oba otumi sebe e calling an assetes na mu hu bi da. Eno na ma mo dodo na mo start follow ye. Na mo share me videos back then. But edru baby no. Ye nyina ya pampi ye breaks. Because one thing say ye attacking MPP for. It is a completely different thing when we start attacking each other. We are badjene ba. Mo NDC fo ni bi no mo ye madwene ba fo a muntie asemi amike. It is one thing say ye NDC fo amra na meka ho bi no ana enne kora na still abegusu support mo no. It is one thing say ye nyina ye tu ya no go MPP fo so. And it is a completely different thing when we start turning the attack on ourselves. You see, a house divided is already conquered. Ade na sebi ye nyina ye ya adiama His Excellency John Mahama. Na suddenly Kelvin Taylor adane na bufuo no ediegu yen ya ye nyina ye adwuma ama onipa baako ye boa nipa baako ye promote na ade na Kelvin Taylor adane na bufuo de egu ye so. Ade Kelvin Taylor no obi ti nche ko school. Kelvin Taylor ono no tu obi mortgage. Debut sebi Kelvin Taylor no one wine. But ana pay me mama se me babe yi ano ana me babe didi Kelvin Taylor and attempt because me chair ni penyini. But His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, with the greatest of respect to you, Your Excellency, with the greatest of respect, I don't know what else to say other than to say with the greatest of respect. But His Excellency John Mahama, this thing Kelvin Taylor is doing, you need to find a way of stopping him. He needs to draw the line. Kelvin Taylor needs to know who his allies are and who his enemies are. Because right now he's confused. Kelvin Taylor is fighting a losing battle. And the rate at which he's losing control, spiraling out of control, say His Excellency, it will have adverse consequences on you and your campaign. His Excellency, the reason why I'm saying this, and you know what I am talking about. Mr. Julius Deborah knows what I am talking about. Today, I'll mention Mr. Julius Deborah's name. He knows what I'm talking about. And what I mean by that, they say, Sebi, or His Excellency, you know fully well. Says some of the people na Sebi, and penny for Motigana na, Obian Kashri na Kelvin Taylor, or Didin Crofwatemno. Some of the people Kelvin Taylor is insulting, even in the MPP, are people who have fought President Akufo-Addo because of you, His Excellency. You know I know what I'm talking about. And then I pay many a break because this Kelvin Taylor nonsense needs to stop. Let me repeat that again. Because of you, His Excellency, I have bitten my tongue for a very long time over Kelvin Taylor. Because now me person me lose the control. Na ma ba so camera, na ma ba share and say me go. Me nim fully well. Say Gabinom can use against you. Enti ma control me ho. But baby aye kono. say ya dia and ye na ye be shasi akasa. Because Kelvin Taylor no onyo bia wo my Ghana mu nchen obia. Kelvin Taylor need to me bia wo Ghana and chen yen other 29 point or 30 point something million Ghanaians. He is just one Ghanaian or ye nipa bakope. Out of year 30 million Ghanaians, Kelvin Taylor ye nipa bakope. Out of NDC4 do millions of NDC4, Kelvin Taylor ye nipa bakope. Obian time Kelvin Taylor. But the rate at which na say ne bufu no on to mean distinguish between his enemies and his allies no. Wanye careful and NDC, His Excellency John Mahama, me nko campus e bia NDC executives asking fake neck no money sa na man na America. When I say top hierarchy, I mean you yourself, His Excellency John Mahama. And His Excellency, I am sure. So what to say? Menim penifobia dinkomo, and I have inquired. They say, Adia Kelvin Taylor, because you are the common denominator in all of this. This Kelvin Taylor nonsense, no. Your Excellency, you are the common denominator. Because a channel who koba yen na sento kwati jina yentem na ye sha say ye hwie nsem you will be at the center of it. It will be about John Mahama. Because for how long can we continue to control ourselves, some of us? For how long? Tina more NDC for the mugu me Facebook mono. Tina me mama warning and pay. Today is the first warning. Se me betro bibi to me Facebook no so. Na would ni nyansa sembia ka ana nyansa sembia bisa. Madamfo pebebi tina. Because mono enyam afekura ni yemu binom eya grobi ni yeni moti social media so ni yeni mudi because fe na ye fe keke se sebio yeni na we get along banyam afe ne yen enyam afekura ni yen yemu binom ti se me betwra ade to Facebook ho na wonni asempapa bia ka you better shut up. Mu NDC fo ni binom no many abre anyesa 2024 we ebebomo me I am telling you ebebomo because some of us we know too much Mwanye careful ebebomo. Look, a nipa we can only take it up to here. Say they be John Mahamenti, yes, John Mahamenti, John Mahamenti, Mammy no Musio, no Manusio, John Mahamenti, Mamiya Botre, John Mahamenti. But for how long? For how long? A dear now trigger me a pay, and run a job, and I mean who